For this second problem to your lesson 22 exit ticket, it's very similar to the one that we did in class. So we know that it's a cube, which means that the edges are all the same. According to the information, 6 cubes are glued together to form a solid below in the diagram. If the edges of each cube measure 1.5 inches in length, what is the surface area of the solid? Because these are all squares, we know that the surface area must be the area of a square or the area of a rectangle times however many faces there are. So I'm going to put that as the number of faces. Similar to what we had to do in class for the example, we have to count how many faces are. It says that there are 6 cubes. So what I would do is write down cube 1, cube 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I would label, this would be cube 1, cube 2, cube 3, cube 4, cube 5, cube 6, or however you want to do it. Then count the number of faces. So this one, there's only one face that's not showing outward. So which means that there's 6 total, there should only be 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, 4 on the side, 5 on the other side. There are 5 faces. For the one in the back, well, actually, let's go to cube 5. Cube 5 and 1 are the exact same thing. So we know that cube 5 must be the exact same thing. Cube 2 must be 1 top, 1 on the bottom. So that's 2. 2 on the side, 3, 4. 4 faces. Cube 2 and 6 are the same, so we're going to put 4 there. At the top, there's cube 3. Cube 3 is very similar to cubes 1 and 5 as there's only one face not showing, which means that cube 3 has 5 total surfaces. Cube 4 has the 2 sides and 1 on the bottom, which means there's only 3. Add them together. 1, 2, 3, that's 15. There should be 26 total number of faces. So we can set the number of faces to 24. How do you get the area of a square? You should know 1.5 times 1.5 times 24. If you solve for it, what I would do is turn it into an improper fraction times 24. Remember, 3 over 2 is the same thing as 1.5. 9/4 times 24. If you solve, or sorry, not 24. Why did I write 24? It's 26. I apologize. 26. You multiply it across, you'll get 117 over 2. That's if you simplify. Convert it into an actual fraction. Your total should be 58.5 square inches.